Where's it coming from? Oh, look. It's dripping off of that. It's running down here. And it's running underneath this. Yeah, this is a big problem. That looks like water now. It doesn't look like blue fluid that got soaked in the carpet. So, if it's still antifreeze, it should be running out soon. Oh, look how full it is right here. Yeah, that's not antifreeze anymore because it's water. I have the heater on because I wanted to see if that's what it was. So if I turn the heater off, how about the air conditioner? All right, I'm going to dry it out. Turn it off. Dry it out. Find out where that is. Oh, let's see if that little... Oh, I should have got a flashlight. Is that leaking? That's what's leaking. That's what's leaking. That's what's leaking. What is it? All right, I'm turning off my car. Let's turn off the heater. Now, would the heater make water drip? Yeah, it's that hose, whatever that hose is, right there. God damn. While waiting for the tow truck, I dried and vacuumed this piece of carpet. I'm not a GM man anymore. I'm really disappointed in how they've not helped me.